Hello everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the second time I'm recording this video, so I think I should have it down by now. Basically, the purpose of this video is to record my braid lock journey. I started my braid lock journey September the 1st. I just wanted a visual of my journey, which is why I'm going to record these videos, and I'm going to add them to my channel so that and then those who follow me and those who my future subscribers, so they can follow me on my journey. So that's the main purpose of this video. The reason why I started the journey is because every fall and winter I always braid my hair up, or I have for the past 5 years braided my hair up in these little small braids, and then every 30 days throughout those months I would just take it down and re-braid them back up. But I said if I ever do it again, this was going to be the last time. I'm not going to take them down, and I'm just going to let them lock. As far as locks in general, I've always been interested in locks, particularly the sister locks, but they are very expensive, and where I live, I know there's no one where in the city that I live, but there's one in another city which is probably about an hour or so away from me, and no, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to travel to go get my hair done. I'm not going to spend that amount of money to have to keep going back for the maintenance and all of that kind of thing. I'm not knocking anybody who does have them. I think sister locks are absolutely beautiful, but it's not for me. And I'm the type of person who I like to learn how to do things on my own, which is why I decided I will start my locks doing braid locks. One, because my hair tends to be kind of, I'm not sure what hair texture I am, but I'm somewhere between, I think, a 3C and a 4C. There's a different combination of textures going on. So without me, if I would have twisted my hair, or generally I think if I just would have did the palm roading traditional locks, in my opinion, think that my hair would have just been coming down all the time, and I just would have been real frustrated with it. So I was like, I'm going to do braid locks, and I'm going to learn how to do this on my own. There's plenty of information out there on YouTube, and so I was like, let the games begin. Here we are, okay? So the products that I use, pretty much the main one is water. I use water every day, but with the water I also use some type of oil. So that could be organic virgin coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil. I recently just started using tea tree oil, and I've also because my ends are still unraveling, and they unravel pretty fast, so I put beeswax to twist my ends, and 2-strand twist on the ends, so it's braided and then it's twisted on the ends, and I use the beeswax to try to hold it together for a little bit longer. Now, beeswax, I know a lot of people say don't use beeswax on your locks because it causes buildup. And another area is, and the only time I use it is when I'm going to do a retie, or when I'm going to retwist my ends. That's the only, I don't run it down the shaft of the braid itself. And plus, I mean, you know, in my opinion, I think that if you wash your hair regularly, it shouldn't be a lot of buildup anyway. I don't believe in the myth that they say don't wash your locks. I think maybe that's just generally for dreadlocks, for traditional locks. Maybe that's just for traditional locks, where they say don't wash your hair for about, I don't know, anywhere between 2 to 4 weeks, or after you get them done, just to prevent them from unraveling. But I think with braid locks and sister locks, that method is different. Now, like I said earlier, I do like sister locks, but I just can't afford it. So I try to follow some of the things, or some of the methods that they use. For example, When I wash my hair, I do band my hair, and I band it kind of loose, like maybe like down here, just so I can get to the root and get my roots real good, which is what is going to prevent that beeswax from building up on my scalp. And I think that's what's going to help. And then I'll take it down when I get out the shower, and I'll let my hair air dry. I have seen videos where people, like, they use a blow dryer to dry their hair, but I'm not going to do that, because I don't want heat in my hair, period. That was the whole purpose of me going natural. Yeah, and then I interlock my hair. I've already interlocked it 3 times since I've started my journey. I started my journey, can't remember if I mentioned it, but on September the 1st. So it's now about to be almost 2 months on November 1st. So we're getting real close to that, and I'm really excited about it. I'm really liking how my hair is looking and how it's feeling. And I can still have my little waves going on and my curls or whatever, so I don't miss that part that much. But yeah, that's what's going on. So I just wanted to make this a really quick video. I do not want to record this again. I accidentally deleted the last recording. So what I'm going to do right now is the 360, as they call it. So we're going to start on the left side. Yesterday was my birthday, so I wanted my hair to look fresh, so I did a fresh interlock. I didn't do them too tight, but I can definitely tell that, I did my hair, because, it just feels good. And here's the right side. And also I tried, I put a little bit of beeswax on my edges, but they're starting to grow back a little bit. And this is from years and years ago, when I used to add hair extensions to my hair, and my hair broke off up in here, but it's starting to grow back now. Here's the back. I do not have a perfect grid. I'm fine with that though. Okay. Let y'all see the top. Okay. And see this part. And yeah, that's it. Like I said, if you guys have seen my any of my videos, I'm going through menopause right now, so I have hot flashes all day, every day, it feels like. So just try to take the shine down off my face a little bit. Okay. And yeah, I just wanted to pop on here and do my first official recording of my Braidloc journey. I mean, I've taken photos, and maybe I'll try to post some, into this video if I can. But other than that, I just wanted to say, if you stayed to the end, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit like. And if you have any suggestions to help me along on this journey, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below. Also, if you wish to subscribe and want to continue to follow me on this journey, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And it should be, I'm not sure what side, but it's going to be down here on the bottom. And hit the bell one more time, just so that you can receive a notification every time I post a new video. Alright guys, thanks again for watching.